What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S23, S23 Ultra, S23 Plus or any of the Samsung Galaxy smartphones. You no longer remember the PIN password and you are locked out of your device. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So to remove any kind of security from your device, you need to do this from the setting or you need to perform a hard reset. Even to perform hard reset, you need to go to the settings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can perform a hard reset right from your lock screen. Keep one thing in your mind that whatever content you got on your device will be deleted and they will start totally fresh. And if you are using a Google account on your device, then it might ask you to enter your Google account credentials as well. Here I am at my lock screen. The very first thing you have to do is switch off your device. Now with the device is switched off, you have to connect the USB Type-C cable with your smartphone and another end with your laptop. While the USB cable is connected to your device, what you have to do, you need to press the volume up and power button together before the device starts booting. For that, I will press the volume up in advance. Now I will connect the USB Type-C cable that is connected with my laptop to the charging port and I will press the power key quickly. Wait until the powered by knobs logo appears, secured by knobs. Now you can remove your finger from the power key but keep pressing volume up until the recovery menu appears on your device. Now you can remove the USB Type-C cable from your device, and if you have a look on the options here, one of them is Wipe Data Factory Reset. So you can use the volume keys to navigate between the options. Volume down to go down, volume up to go up, and power key to select. So go to the Wipe Data Factory Reset. After that, press the power key once, and then on the next screen, press volume down to go to Factory Data Reset, and press the power key one more time. And here at the bottom, you can see wiping of the data is started and completed quickly. And we are once again back at Reboot System Now option. So just press the power key once, and now the device will reboot. Once the rebooting process is completed, we will start totally fresh with our device. So we will have to go through the setup process and we will see whether we got the access back to our Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra we got here or not. And as you can see, we are at the home screen now, and it is no longer asking you to enter the lock screen pin, so it is gone, and we got the access back to our Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So this is how you can remove any kind of security from your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, S23, S23 Plus or whatever Samsung Galaxy smartphone you got. That was an offer, and thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.